I am Barbara the Avatar. Yes, I'm a digital human. My human sister is here with us, along with the real Fernando. Both are available to answer questions in the chat and directly at the end of our presentation. In this workshop, we unveil the Multimedia Scenario Editor, a paradigm-shifting tool that transforms traditional simulation frameworks into fully interactive and multisensory experiences. Our primary aim is to introduce you to the capabilities of this cutting-edge editor and emphasize its potential to redefine simulation-based education and communication. The Multimedia Scenario Editor allows educators to seamlessly integrate diverse multimedia elements, such as videos, images, audio, and even kinesthetic and olfactory components, into simulation scenarios. This integration enhances the realism and engagement of simulations, providing learners with an immersive environment that closely mirrors real-world situations. The editor's interactive features support real-time adaptation and customization of scenarios, ensuring that the learning experience is tailored to the specific needs of each learner. Thank you for joining us, and let's dive into the future of simulation-based education together.
Happy to be here as well. I'm Fair, the avatar of Fernando. The Multimedia Scenario Editor has been developed for several years at the eReal Labs. It is a paradigm-shifting tool that transforms traditional simulation frameworks into fully interactive and multisensory experiences. In a traditional training room, learners are often limited to static presentations and theoretical discussions. However, with the Multimedia Scenario Editor, the room comes alive with dynamic, multisensory experiences. For example, trainers can project videos and images onto walls, play realistic soundscapes, and even introduce scents or other olfactory elements to simulate different environments. This immersive approach not only captures learners' attention but also enhances their understanding and cognitive retention. Another important feature of the editor is that it supports real-time adaptation and customization of scenarios, ensuring that the learning experience is tailored to the specific needs of each learner. Now let's look at the editor and its main features together.
Hello everyone! Today, we are going to delve into a groundbreaking editor for medical simulation scenarios. You already understand the critical importance of creating accurate and effective scenarios. But have you ever considered the role of an editor in this process? Immersive scenarios can significantly enhance the learning process. We firmly believe that an editor for medical simulation scenarios is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. This editor ensures that scenarios are not only medically accurate, but also pedagogically sound, aligning perfectly with your learning objectives. But the editor's role doesn't end there. It goes a step further to ensure that scenarios are engaging and immersive. After all, the more realistic the scenario, the better the learning outcomes for the participants. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the effectiveness of your simulation program, providing accurate, engaging, and beneficial scenarios for all participants. We have developed an intuitive editor designed specifically for healthcare professionals, enabling them to effortlessly create immersive scenarios and transform the simulation room into a fully interactive environment. The editor refines scenarios, eliminating any inconsistencies and errors that might disrupt the learning process. It provides valuable assistance to scenario authors and subject matter experts, ensuring that the scenarios are as effective as they can be. This intuitive editor empowers healthcare professionals to craft customized simulations tailored to their specific training needs. From emergency response situations to clinical decision-making and patient care simulations, the possibilities are endless. Imagine being able to train for rare and complex cases, practice new protocols, and collaborate with colleagues from anywhere in the world. This editor brings these possibilities to life.
Unleash your creativity to design captivating and engaging content. The best part is, no coding or technical expertise is required. Start by setting the space. Whether it's a simulated emergency room, surgical suite, or clinical setting, you have the freedom to design and customize every aspect, making learning both informative and enjoyable. Then integrate interactive elements into your scenario. Make the window openable. Change the vital signs on the monitor. Show a checklist. Customize every aspect, from medical conditions and vital signs to patient responses and environmental factors.
What makes the eReal editor so special? There are several features. Let's dive in. First of all, you can reduce your scenario design time by 85%. The eReal editor streamlines the design process, cutting down the time you spend creating simulations and scenarios by a staggering 85%. That means you can focus more on delivering high-quality training and less on setup. Then you can track results and measure behaviors. With easy-to-use wearable augments, tracking results and measuring behaviors becomes effortless. Gain valuable insights into learner performance and progress with just a few clicks. Not to say that last-minute changes are not only feasible, but cost-effective. Flexibility is key. Our editor allows you to implement even last-minute changes seamlessly and cost-effectively, ensuring your training stays relevant and up-to-date. Furthermore, you can boost the use of interactive media. Make your images, videos, messages, and special effects come to life with interactive elements. Engage learners in a way that static content simply can't match. Let me say that it is a very user-friendly interface. You can create complex scenarios and cases with ease using the editor's very intuitive and user-friendly interface. No need for extensive training or technical expertise. You can start designing scenarios and building new simulation environment right away. Another important point is that learners are expected to improve their skills by 80%. Our editor doesn't just make learning easier, it makes it more effective. Skills acquisition may improve up to 80% through immersive and interactive simulations and training experiences. Thanks to the eReal editor, you can transform pretty any surface in an interactive screen, turn any wall into an interactive surface. Whether you're in a classroom or a conference room, our editor adapts to your environment, creating a versatile learning space. Last but not least, this editor allows to create scenarios that are 300% more engaging. With our editor, your training sessions will capture and hold learners' attention like never before, making the learning process more enjoyable and effective. In essence, our multimedia scenario editor is not just a tool, it is a game-changer in the world of experiential learning. Are you interested in more technical details about the editor? Here is a brief video summary with some representative scenarios that we designed.
Our journey with the editor began a few years ago in Boston, collaborating with the Harvard Center for Medical Simulation. And today we are still working together. This partnership was instrumental in the initial development of our editor, leveraging cutting-edge technology to create immersive and interactive learning environments for healthcare professionals. Thanks to its innovative design and effectiveness, the eReal editor quickly gained recognition and was adopted by leading medical simulation centers. Institutions like the Northwestern Medical School and the George Washington University School of Nursing are using the editor, enhancing the realism and engagement of their simulations. But we didn't stop there. Seeing the incredible impact in the medical field, we expanded the eReal editor's capabilities for different types of schools. From primary education to higher learning institutions, our tool makes learning more dynamic and interactive. Moreover, our vision extended beyond educational institutions. Corporations have adopted the eReal editor to train employees in a variety of skills, from technical know-how to soft skills. Its versatility and ease of use make it an invaluable resource for corporate training programs. And the innovation doesn't end with schools and corporations. Museums are joining the revolution, using the eReal editor to create engaging, interactive exhibits that bring history, science, and art to life for visitors of all ages. In essence, the eReal editor started as a groundbreaking project with the Harvard Center for Medical Simulation and has evolved into a multifaceted tool embraced by top-tier institutions across various sectors. Please, look at these examples.
With eReal, you can create immersive and interactive environments that anyone can use for visualization, collaboration, or simulation. You can immerse yourself and your people in any scenario to see, share, and discuss data and information, to face events and to enjoy live experiences in a highly realistic way, to deal with situations that are too difficult, too expensive, or too hazardous to recreate in the real world. By bringing your targets to life in a very innovative and effective way, you can develop a more engaging experience, strengthen teamwork, reduce the training time, explore different scenarios and alternatives, enhance analytical reasoning and data-driven decisions, creating useful and unforgettable experiences. With eReal, simulations and immersive experiences are more interactive, more versatile, and more affordable than ever. Unlike other solutions, users experience full immersion without the need for glasses or goggles and can share the immersion with whole groups of people. All is glasses-free, but you can always integrate special goggles within the immersive environments if needed. This is why eReal has achieved global recognition as an outstanding sole source and innovative solution. It has been covered by many of the world's most authoritative media and has been awarded by institutions such as the British Council, Columbia University in New York, and the International Society of Medical Simulation and Harvard University.